Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be filming a DIY tutorial of how I decorate my dining room table for fall. I love to put out my fall decorations towards mid to end September, and then I like to use items that will last and look good all the way through Thanksgiving. What you're going to see on my table today are items that I've shopped for and accumulated over the past 5 years. So just know that I didn't go out and buy everything at once for this video. I like to be really careful and thoughtful about my purchases so that I can be sure the items I buy are things that I really like and will enjoy using throughout the years. What you'll see is demonstrative of my style. I love rustic decor with classic, really elegant elements that I can enjoy using over the years. Some of my favorite places to buy table decor are Pottery Barn, World Market, Sur La Table, and TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx has some great deals on fall decor, like these little velvet pumpkins that you'll see me use later on in the video. If you'd like to shop any of the items that I'm using on my table, you can find a list of all the products in this video in the description box below. So keep watching for step-by-step tutorial on how I've decorated my table. And if you like this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel for more cooking tutorials for all the recipes you'll find on sweetcayenne.com. If you do subscribe, be sure to hit the bell for notifications about when I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching. So starting with a blank table, I'm just going to lay down this beautiful table runner I got from Williams-Sonoma. I loved the orange fall color in here and it matched really well with a lot of my dining room decor. So I'm just going to put it down in the center and then make 2 folds just to give the table runner a little bit of texture. Next, I'm going to put down some mercury glass decorations, starting with some pumpkins I got from Tuesday Morning, mercury glass tea candlesticks from Pottery Barn, and then some little votives that I bought from World Market a few years ago. Then it's time for some mini velvet stuffed pumpkins that I got at TJ Maxx. I'm just going to place them in between the different mercury glass decorations. After I put down my chargers, plates, and silverware, it's time for the napkin. I start with a linen napkin that I've folded in half into a triangle. Then I roll the triangle from the bottom up towards the top point. Once the napkin is rolled up, I tie it into a very loose knot. Once the knot is tied, I like to loosen it up a little bit and fluff the napkin up just a tad to give it a rustic, relaxed feel. The last step in setting the table is putting out my glasses. I chose these fun, deep amber tumblers that I got from Pottery Barn a few years ago and love how they match the pretty fall colors in the table runner.